Thank you for helping us with the fridge and also the gas stove. And may the Lord bless you all for helping us. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's your girl Lady Roxy here from Spirit of Giving. Welcome back guys again to another update with the Carmen's family. Thank you right now to Mr. Bantam who has sent $15,000 and an anonymous donor who has also sent $22,000 to the Carmen's family to help to purchase the fridge. Thank you all so very much for the love and support, even though I haven't been posting a lot these days. Thank you guys for still watching, for still sharing the videos, for the likes, the comments. Guys, thank you for the love. I couldn't have done it without you.
And here we kind of going to put it. Give you to do one. You know what they're not to replace with it because they know they're not picking out the dear again, on your please. These are the ones they are turning out. And these are the box. Ken, don't touch anything there.
Wow.
Lord God, I make drinks now if you put in a fridge and now you see, so Lord have mercy. God bless you, Miss Roxanne. May the good Lord bless and keep you. And may your store basket may never empty. Thank you.
Yeah, respect Miss Roxanne and big up Billy who do a great job for us. Thank you very much for what you have done for us. And my medication now run out again, so I'm not going to leave hospital no more. And big up the donors that donate the switch to us. And the gas stove and the cylinder. Thank you very much for what they have done for us. We give a great honor to you all. And an evening.
Okay. Thanks to Miss Roxanne and both the person them that help us. And may the good Lord bless you all. and provide for you. That's in a store basket may never empty and God bless you. This is good Africa. This one. This is sitting it out. This sponges. Okay, sponge and it up. Wait, sit down on this sponge.